Welcome to the first episode of Let's Talk About SAP Basics podcast series, where we break down complex SAP concepts into easy to understand guides. Today, we're talking about the concept of profit centers in SAP. Let's get started. Think of a profit center in SAP as an independent product line within your company. It's a segment of your business that you want to monitor separately to determine its profitability. Let's say you own a company that manufactures bicycles, scooters, and skateboards. Each of these products is unique and has different production costs. You're interested in knowing which product earns the highest profit every quarter. This is where SAP's profit centers come into play. Here's how it works. First, decentralization of responsibility. By designating each product line as a profit center, you're essentially delegating the responsibility of profitability to each product team. It's like telling the bicycle team, your task is to make the bicycle line profitable, and so on. Next is profitability analysis. Every quarter, you want to assess the profit made by each product line or profit center. SAP enables you to generate reports that display the revenue from product sales, the expenses incurred for materials and labor, and the net profit revenue minus expenses for each profit center. Third, cost controlling. In a manufacturing company, you have various costs such as materials, labor, and maintenance. SAP allows you to allocate these costs to each profit center. This helps you understand where your money is being spent and how to manage your costs effectively. Next comes asset management. Assets are valuable items owned by your company that can generate income. In a manufacturing context, this could include machinery, buildings, or even patents. You can assign these assets to profit centers in SAP to manage them more efficiently. Lastly, integration with other SAP modules. SAP consists of various modules that manage different aspects of your business. For instance, the material management module manages all the materials required for production, while the sales and distribution module manages all sales-related processes. Profit centers can exchange information with these modules, ensuring seamless operation. Setting up profit centers in SAP is equal to establishing your product lines. You define what they are, set them up, and then allocate your costs and assets to them. Once they're established, you can begin tracking your profits. Thanks for tuning into this episode on SAP Profit Centers. I hope you found it helpful and insightful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Also, I'd love to hear from you. What SAP topic would you like me to cover next? Your feedback helps shape the content of future episodes, so don't hesitate to share your ideas.